My name is Earl Fox. We bought this property in 2004 and we built the cabin, and then in 2015 we put the solar project in. The solar was to reduce my costs of the utilities, the electricity. I was paying a high rate and I thought it was a smart thing to do. I chose Paradise because I knew of the company. I asked for a price and it seemed feasible financially, and that's why I chose Paradise. The installation went very well. I was here when they did the project. They did it in maybe about a week or less. The main concern I had was, is this financially feasible? And then number one, because of the tax savings, and then secondly, because of my high rate for my electricity, which made it very feasible financially, and that was important to me. My expectations was exceeded, I would say. I think the Paradise Energy sized the project to the right size. I'm most happy with the fact that I don't have any more electricity bills. I could definitely recommend Paradise Energy. They were on budget, they were on time, and they were very respectful, and they delivered exactly what they said they would. So I could definitely recommend it to any of my neighbors here. They are a very good company, and they stand behind what they do.